sila guys. Wow.
Mukha na ba ako mayaman?
So,
Ang lovely. Ang lovely mo kanti kapagmana.
Wow, salamat. Welcome to my hotel po. Ako po actually naglinis, kaya pa nung una kami dito, nilinis ko po muna bago po kami.
grabe ang linis dito.
Siyempre, ako lang daw.
Okay guys. May dalawang room. May TV.
Gusto yung view, may building. Kung matanggal yung building.
Papamove ka na lang po. Sabi ka may fees na.
Ilan yung kicker niya?
Ah, free snacks?
Free ba yan?
Hindi yan free.
Di ba 100 pesos?
Lovely siya.
Bayan.
May Shakira yan.
May salita.
Ikaw si Marga.
Here's our view.
Okay. Hindi ka pa na-makeupan? Gusto mo ako i-try?
Si
Ano?
Parang like
Sige.
halfway pa lang sa ganyan.
Ang grabe.
Kasi natas
So guys,
nagpas ko lang.
11 siya nag-start. So guys, asan na? Wait lang. So guys, nahanap ko na pala yung switch. Ganyan lang pala. Tada! So may hanger. Then we have the shower, toilet, then yeah. So guys, pupunta kami sa sa room ng other friend ko, sila Janie.
Baka matagal.
BS. Ready. Pag bibihis sa yung magawa nila nandun sa
Ay, oo, yung BS.
For special occasions, she got me thinking
Recently na ba?
Pero yung usually, yung sobrang
yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show.
So guys, we're here at our prom. Senior prom, the social night. A lot of us are in ball gowns and we also have some 360. So guys, we're here at our prom. Yeah. Then we have our invitation here. Very pretty. It's very pretty. Our theme is Starry Night. Here, May 27, 2024. We have the red carpet, which we just did earlier. Then we have the main program. You could read it if you want. Here's the event details or color tones. Attires. How do I... Okay. Anyways, here are the rewards. Then we have the SCB. They've made a lot of effort. I think that's it. The teachers and the sections. And I think our program will also be starting. So I'll see you later.
Receive your certificate. You will be stepping to the next chapter of your life.
eyes with a sense of magical
What's inside
infatuation.
our purse?
Ladies sings about being captivated
everything,
from the
basically.
first kiss and feeling
Of course, I
as
have
though the world freezes around her
alcohol,
during this intimate
lotions,
moments. Once again,
then perfume.
Diocese of Bicol.
Basically, she has many more that you cannot even imagine.
Hi po.
Because pa niyo po ako. Oh my God.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alis na si Princess and the Popstar.
Here's the menu. Then guys, we have a souvenir here, which is a perfume. We get to pick our own perfume actually.
Masaya na lang.
Starting with Mr. Maybe call one.
Hi, Yosa. Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome po sa vlog ni Elzan.
Ha? Ay, vlog mo pala. Hi, vlog. Welcome to myself. Picture tayo, picture tayo.
This is their president's favorite SCB president, a father of Delson Goa, saying, I had the best moments in life, seeing the sparkle in all of your eyes and smiles. Remember that you are the center of your own universe. So now, may I invite everyone to raise their glass for this toast.
Tonight is an unforgettable night under the moon and the stars. For tonight, we come together to celebrate not just the end of the chapter, but the beginning of your new adventure. Cherish the memories, celebrate friendships, and as what is written in your invitation, let's dance beneath the moon's gentle glow.
In just a few days, we are going to walk and take our final steps as junior high school students, as we close the chapter of our lives and enter a new one. In senior high school, I had the best moments in life, seeing the sparkle in all of your eyes and smiles. Remember that you are the center
way to the pool.
Kabidyo ba yan?
Yeah. Of course.
Buti ka higit.
So, hey guys, good morning. We're about to go to the pool. I'm here with my dad.
We're going to?
5th floor.
No, we're going to Baupo, Pampanga.
So guys, here's the pool. And maraming nagsiswimming na physician or like a batch na.